Hello friends, welcome to TurboSite Channels. In this video, we'll show you how to use the TBS6216 multi-tuner PCIe card together with Kylone Streaming Edition to scan DVB-C channels and stream over IP. Let's start. First, check tuner adapters are successfully loaded. Log in Kylone and go to Live Streams, tuner cards. Here we can see all 16 tuner adapters are detected. Step 2. Set up transponders. Go to Transponders, create new record. Name the transponder and choose the system as DVB-C because we will scan and stream DVB-C channels as an example in this video. Click Save to enter the parameters setting page. Enter value for necessary parameters like frequency, symbol rate, etc. Click Scan to enter the program configuration page and choose a tuner adapter for the transponder that we just set. Start scanning. Channels are locked. Step 3. Go to Page Tuner Cards, assign the transponder to a free tuner adapter. Step 4. Commit the settings. Now we can see the channels are streaming over HTTP by default. Let's test the channel in VLC player. If we want to stream channels over other protocols, go to the Live Streams or Settings page. Turn on the protocol options you need. Don't forget to restart the streaming engine in commit. Now we have the HLS streams for the channels. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and product updates from TBS.